So today in Cook the Book, we're going to be doing soya flavored edamame beans. Now, every time I have edamame beans, I always think of my friends Yudhishthir and Minnie, because they were doing a show in Malaysia, in the jungles of Malaysia. And I remember I went to visit them, and we went to Jalan Alor and we ate the most amazing meal. And one of the things that we ate like crazy people was edamame there. So every time I eat this, that's who I think of. But now let me show you my version of this. You need a pan, you need some oil in it, a little ginger and garlic paste, chili flakes. You can't smell this, but the aroma just hit my nose. Now into this goes about 2 tablespoons of Demerara sugar, some soy, some water, our parboiled edamame beans. Put it back on the fire, give it a good stir. So what we're doing is flavoring the outer shell of the edamame. So what happens is when you serve this, all you have to do is you pick the edamame and you kind of bite into it, but not really completely into it, and you kind of pull the beans out. So while you're doing that, the outer layer of this edamame has got this wonderful flavor that adds to the whole experience of the edamame beans. So like I told you, we need to always taste everything. So here goes. It's nice, but it needs a little more chili flakes. So I put half a cup of water because I thought this needed to cook a little more. Now I'm going to completely dry it up. So I'm taking it off the fire. I'm going to be adding sesame oil into it. So into this really hot pan, once the edamame got done, I've added the sesame oil. I'm just kind of stirring it all in and ready to serve. And last but not the least, some toasted sesame. Fabulous. And now I'm ready to party.